This is a message to all you guys out there that are in sales, business, procrastinators, putting things off, or people that just want to do more, be more in their own lives, guys. I think this is really important, and this is a lesson I learned today. Have you ever heard the phrase, don't talk about it, be about it, guys? It really embodies the sense of, okay, when you have something you have to do or something you want to do that's causing you pressure, anxiety, nervousness, you tend to put it off and say, oh, I'll get around to that. Oh, sometime in the future will be a better time to do this thing, guys. Case in point, getting in shape, guys. A lot of people want to get stronger. A lot of people want abs. A lot of people will say, oh, one day I will start working out. Oh, I'll start eating healthy. And a lot of people will say, oh, let me read up on it. Let me read a book on how to do push-ups when I want to get stronger, guys. That's talking about it. What does being about it looks like? Being about it looks like not reading a book on doing push-ups because you want to get stronger. It looks like going and doing push-ups. Another example, you want to get better at sales, guys. A lot of people ask me, what is the best sales book you've read, or what would you recommend from sales, guys? That's talking about it. A lot of people can pontificate, share their opinions, talk about it, share best practices, guys. Anyone can learn sales. Anyone can learn how to get in shape. Anyone can learn how to go talk to that guy or girl, guys. You want to be the person who is being about it. So for example, in sales, the best way to get better is not to read the 10X Rule by Grant Cardone or the Challenger Sale. The best way is to actually do sales, guys. As an SDR for 2 years, I always said, oh, I'll read books, I'll study other people. I didn't actually start getting better until I was being about it, guys. I got into a sales role, account executive. I started working deals myself. I started running meetings. I started winning deals. And that's being about it, guys. Don't talk about it, be about it, guys. That's the quick and simple message I want to share with you guys here today. Think about what is that thing that you've been wanting to do, especially with the New Year's coming up, guys. A lot of people have things they want to be about. Don't stop talking about it, be about it. Write down what you want to do. And guys, the best way and the quickest way to get better at it or start doing it is just by doing it. If you want to do a podcast, don't keep thinking about names, keep thinking about concepts. Just start doing a podcast and recording episodes, and the rest will figure itself out, guys. If you thought about YouTube, I thought about doing YouTube. I talked about it for years until one day I said, you know what, I'm going to be about it. I'm going to start doing it. And by doing it, making videos, that is what's got me further and actually got me into it and got me better, guys. Whatever your thing is, think about that, guys. I encourage you to, I implore you to, and I think it will really help you guys really identify what success looks like for you and get you there sooner rather than later, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you guys every time you tune in. Anytime you like the video, that really helps. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.